Welcome to Black Hat Hacking video series. I will introduce you myself later on, but let's first focus on what this series is all about and how it's going to be different from a normal hacking course. Now you might have been heard about ethical hacking term in your country or on the internet. Ethical word means legality with rules and regulations. Means everything would be covered legal in that course. Whereas Black Hat Hacking course is an unethical course in which legal and illegal all type of topics can be covered, like credit card attacks, email attacks, etc. So nowadays nobody wants a legal ethical hacking course because you cannot make any money out of it. Everybody wants a Black Hat Hacking course where the real fun and power relies on. As it's illegal, that's why no one have ever dared to make this type of course till now. So this course is going to be the first real Black Hat Hacking series in the world. So here is the syllabus, in which every money hacking technique would be unveiled. Now, as being a trainer, I have taught thousands of people worldwide. But mainly people from Nigeria, Ghana, from Africa mainly, are on the top who were requesting for Black Hat Hacking courses. Because they do not have any jobs, power, resources. Today in this world, everything is for money. Every hack is for money. So now the question is, what is actually required to make money? Two things, I would say. One is skills and second is smart work. Skill set is what I will give you in this course. Rest smart work is what you have to do. I'll give you one example. In Nigeria, the people are very smart there. They don't tell their even family, their best friends about what they do and how they are making the money. Everyone will see them making money, buying cars, buying properties, but no one actually knows what they are actually doing in their real life. I was having a student named as David from Lagos, Nigeria, whom I taught almost 1 year back, who's also making a very good money there. Now David is a very good example of being smart. What David used to do is, he bought an apartment on rent there in Nigeria, where he and his brother were going daily, where they were having a setup of internet routers, laptops, hard drives and other stuff to perform hacking operations and scamming people. Then in the evening, they return back to house and enjoy their normal life as an honest man. And nobody suspects even that what they are doing daily. So that's what I mean about being smart. So as you know, the technology always needs a change. Every month, new techniques are coming up. So what I'll do is, I'll keep on updating this series every month, in which I'll try to add 2 videos minimum in this series every month on whatever new techniques coming up. So what you just have to do is, just take one-time subscription of this course and keep on learning your whole life. In subscription, you'll get 3 things: videos, tools, and the trainer support at certain points you require. So next is the requirements. So what about the requirements for this course? You just require 3 things. The one is good configuration laptop, a stable internet connection, and some little money in your pocket so that we can buy some SMTPs or VPN connections over the internet, some few dollars, $10, $20, that's it. So just get a notebook and a pen ready on your table and be ready to rock. And if you want more hacky feeling while learning, you can also hook up a beer bottle on your table too. So just drink and hack. So I will see you in the next video. Happy hacking. Bye-bye.